Sensex crosses 52,500, Nifty above 15,800 as markets open at record highs. Indian indices opened higher with both benchmarks hitting new record highs on Friday, tracking gains in Asian markets after US S&P 500 ended at record high. The Sensex jumped 228 points or 0.44% at 52,528.48, while the broader Nifty 50 jumped 73 points or 0.47% at 15,811. Power Grid was the top Sensex gainer, followed by Reliance Industries and ONGC. India's exports rise 52% to $7.71 billion in first week of June. India's exports grew by 52.39% to $7.71 billion during the first week of June. Preliminary data released by Commerce Industries showed. Exports of gems and jewelry, engineering and petroleum products rose by 96.38% to $297.82 million. 59.7%, $741.18 million and 69.53% to $530.62 million respectively. Imports also rose by about 83% to $9.1 billion during the week. World Bank doesn't support COVID-19 vaccine IP waiver, Chief Malpass. World Bank President David Malpass on Tuesday said that the bank does not support waiving intellectual property rights for COVID-19 vaccines. He said that the waiver would hamper research and development in the pharmaceutical sector. The bank also said that the global economy is expected to expand 5.6% in 2021, the fastest post-recession pace in 80 years.
Tagore Sculpture. Custom-made wooden sculptures. If you are looking for something very, very special, come to the right place. Thousands of statues sold worldwide since 1980s. Visit www.tagoresculpture.com. For import and export contact 938-138-4866.
European shares hit record high amid improved growth projection. European shares on Friday logged a record high after the European Central Bank raised its growth and inflation projections and also pledged a steady flow of stimulus for now. Besides, the US markets also jumped to a record high, even after US consumer prices grew by 5% in May, the fastest pace since August 2008.
Trade between India and China rises by 70% in January to May. Trade between India and China increased over 70% year-on-year to $48.16 billion in the first 5 months of 2021. China's customs data showed. Chinese exports to India grew 64.1% year-on-year from January to May, while imports surged to 90.2%. Global Times reported. Trade between the two countries in 2020 had declined by 5.6% to $87.6 billion, the lowest since 2017.